Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for purchasing our products. Now I will answer a few frequently asked questions, hoping to help you use the product better. Question 1. I did not find the SD card in the package. Answer. Please unscrew the pen. You will find that the SD card is inserted in the pen. Question 2. Can't read my SD card? Answer. Check if your SD card is inserted upside down. The correct SD card is inserted in the direction of the card core facing the charging port. Please note that if the SD card is a new card, it must be formatted in advance before it can be used. Question 3. How does the refill of this camera pen stick out? Answer. Please twist the lower end of the pen once, and the tip of the pen will stick out slowly. Question 4. How to use the reset button? Answer. Press the reset button with the reset pin. Well, the above frequently asked questions have been replied to everyone. If you have any questions about the use of the product, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Hello everyone. First of all,